Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your profile accent color on the Twitch website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on channel at the top. After that, scroll down and tap on this customize channel button, and then you will be directed to this page where you need to tap on channel on this left side column and tap on brand at the top. And here you can find the profile accent color section where you can choose a color to highlight your brand around Twitch and in your channel elements. So here you can see the available color options, so tap on the relevant one. Here you can see the theme. This is the lark theme and this is the dark theme, so tap on the relevant one that you would like to select, and then when you are done, click on the Save Changes button down below this section, and as you can see it has been updated. That's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.